Good evening, families. I'd like to show you how you can submit your portfolio payment in the scholarship portal. So once you log in, you'll go to the marketplace on the left. You will select Find Providers, select your child's name. You'll search What I Learned Today so that you can find our business. Once you select that, we do have 2 locations. Portfolio evaluations are under the 7604 location, listed at $40. You would select one, and then you can scroll down to add that to your cart. Once it is added to your cart, you'll go back to your cart, which is in the top corner here. It's kind of out of the screen. And then you will reserve funds. That will send us on over the funds for your child's portfolio evaluation. Also, in case you are wondering, we do have a video that goes over exactly what you can expect for your first time for portfolio evaluation. Check that out if you'd like some help in being prepared. Thank you so much.